सर रिसेंटली ओल्ड गोवान एक प्रकरण चलता तो परत परत प्रोटेस्ट चलता हेजेर कितें सांगपाचें दिसता तुमकां?
So, हिंगा old Goa कितें जाल्लें हां? Okay, in old Goa what has happened is everybody's eyes on old Goa. I don't know, they feel that it's a piece of cake should be shared by each and everyone. It is a heritage site. Old Goa it's one of the famous, we have the famous churches over there. We have St. Francis Xavier over here. And recently we had the exposition. So with all these taking into consideration, especially the government, they feel that this is a piece of cake which everybody wants to share it. Okay, so everyone's eyes are on Old Goa. There are different projects coming up which are not required in Old Goa. It can be the garbage, you name it, the garbage, the heritage interpretation center. Then there are nearly around 12 hotels are there. Then around 12 sites are coming up. So why in Old Goa? They it is even the Prasad scheme. They feel it is beautification of Old Goa. Fine, beautification, but at what cost? Cost of the heritage? No. We don't want our churches and temples to be destroyed. You want a beautification? Go somewhere else. Maybe closer to Old Goa. Within the vicinity. Don't come within the vicinity of the heritage zone. Go away from it. People will be coming to Old Goa. Not that people will not be coming. They will be coming. But don't spoil whatever the ancestors have kept for us. Don't spoil that. The beauty is in small things. Now over here in this site only where we are here, over here the interpretation center is supposed to come. But why do we require it over here? They say that it is for parking, it is close to the churches. For all these things, if there is no master plan is there, we will not, all these things will keep on coming. So if there is a master plan, the area will be marked and we will come to on these protected areas, nobody will venture. So I would request the public also pressurize the government. And even the government, I feel the higher authorities, this is the right time now to give us a master plan. We are fighting it for the past couple of years, maybe 10 years, about more than 10 years. So we require a master plan for it. If that is not there, Goa will be destroyed and old Goa will be destroyed.
I'm Vincent De Silva, resident of Old Goa. Now, Old Goa is known throughout the world, especially because of the heritage, the ancient history, the blessed, the holy body of Saint Francis Xavier is here. All these things make Old Goa very famous. And we have a lot of people coming here as pilgrims and as tourists because of this situation here. And Old Goa has been given the World Heritage tag. UNESCO tag is there. Now, there are a lot of, after the ancient Portuguese have moved out from here, there are a lot of things that are happening. People are trying to come inside and destroy. And when this destruction is taking place, the heritage has been destroyed. And which we are afraid that the tag that we have will go. The importance of this place will go. Because older time, this was one of the world known cities, the 8 most famous cities of the world at that time. And that is why we have a lot of heritage. Right now, the government putting certain things is trying to bring something that are illegal, that is not wanted. By getting these things, they are trying to destroy the land, they are trying to make money out of this place, and a lot of illegalities are going on. And because of that, we are asking a master plan for this place. With the master plan, everything will be put in place. Which heritage site, what is the buffer zone, what is the area, which area can be developed, All these things will come in that. With that, everything will be saved. It will be saved for posterity, for Goan, for Indian, and for the people world over. This world heritage has to be saved, because this kind of artifacts you will not get it anywhere. And if we allow, with the government's help, if we allow this to happen, we are destroyed. We will be nowhere, because people, especially the present government, is all after money. From which side they are trying to make all the different things. But this illegality has to stop. And the master plan is the only thing that can stop this. We want the master plan as soon as possible, immediately if possible, because we have been fighting for this for the last 10 to 12 years. Thank you.
My name is Evaristo Rodriguez. I'm a member of Save Old Goa Action Committee. Now, Save Old Goa Action Committee is striving to protect and save Old Goa from destruction. Government is coming up with a lot of schemes, and basically schemes which are destructive in nature. So, just 2 days back, we had a huge protest here. We had a protest to protest the excavation of this place, which is falling within the heritage zone. So people have seen how they have excavated the lands. They've found artifacts that are proving that this is an archaeological site. And so we want people to know that everywhere the government coming a scheme, and we are protesting about it. Especially the schemes which are close to the heritage site. And that's why we have been demanding a master plan, a proper master plan with demarcation of all roads and master plan with demarcation of heritage area. So this is my request to people to support us in our endeavor to protect Old Goa.
Sir, recently, 2 days back, there is one protest is there here. So that Sarpanch has given assurance that he will take a stay for this purpose.
Yes, they
have
have-
we taken any stay
Yes,
till
they
date?
have issued a notice
Through the
to stop the
press,
work.
we have heard
Yeah.
that they have gone ahead with the objection. So we assume that it has been done.
Okay. And recently, our MLA also comments about this same issue. What do you want to say about that?
He said he's helping us in this. So we have that hope that he will go ahead with it.
Okay.
And especially the master plan, we have put the proposal to him also.
So, our channel is watching all over world. What do you want to give any message to
The
all
message to everybody, whoever comes here, come, enjoy, and have a good feel about Goa, and let not people come here and capture areas for investment and for settlement and destroy to the help of the government.
Thank you.
Thank you.